Hey Haika, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will test our vulnerable machine to find the vulnerable services and exploit it with the help of here we will use three methods to do this. Method number one is FTP Anonymous Login. Method number two is using MSF uh, console or Metasploit Framework. And method number three is very fantastic, which is Hydra tool, and we will brute force to crack the username and password. So first, let me scan for my target machine with the help of nmap. Okay, so I am calling nmap and then hyphen sv. I specify that scan for version, okay, on this target, which is 192.168.43.2. This is my target machine IP address, and I hit enter. Okay, so it's well scanned by default for the top 1000 port. Okay, and let me wait for the response of the nmap scan. So as you see the result here that we get the result for this IP address, which is our target machine IP address, and host is up, and 977 close port we found. Okay, connection refused. So port 21, 22, 23, and many more ports are open here, which we look in further session. Our state is open service, which is running FTP on this port. It's port running the FTP service, and the version is VSFTPD 2.3.4. So I search for this version. You have to do this task. Copy this version from here and search it on Google, like this version, and write vulnerabilities, CVEs, or how to exploit this port. Okay, so you will see a bunch of information, but for now I know that this version allow the anonymous login. So let's do the first method. Okay, so for that I will open a new terminal here. Let me zoom in. Okay, I will write FTP because uh, it's running on FTP port 21, so I will write FTP and then my target machine IP, which is 192.168.43.2. So it's required the name. So I know that it's allow the anonymous login. Okay, so I am logging as anonymous. Okay, and it says this, please specify for the password. So I don't have password and I don't know what is the password. So I just clicking enter here and leave this blank. So it says that login successful, remote system type is Unix. If I write here ID, so it says that permission denied. And if I write help here, so you can use the help menu from here. I want to exit it. Okay, and 20 to 221 and say goodbye. Let's do with let's go with method number two, which is MSF clear I want to delete the temporary files and directories. Okay, so I want to start the MSF console. For this, I will write MSF console. Okay, so I'm initializing the MSF console here. It will take a little bit of time, but don't worry because it's a huge framework. It has more than 1000 modules and payloads. It is a very useful framework in ethical hacking. When you working in a company, this will help you to exploit the vulnerabilities and report it to the security team. Okay, so this is the interface of our Metasploit framework. Okay, and it is 2437 exploit, this much payloads, encoders, knobs, evasion. Don't worry, we will look to these exploits and auxiliary scanner. It's not a big deal. Okay, so now I want to search for my version. Okay, my target machine is running VSFTPD, VSFT and PD. Okay, so as I search here, it will show uh, this information matching modules. So this version, which is our target machine running, and this version it says VSFTPD 2.3.4. Okay, and here I have to use. Okay, if you don't know what to do, then write help. You will see a bunch of information about the MSF. Okay, so I am using this one exploit. Okay, which is a backdoor. So I just copy from here to here and drag and drop. Okay, and I hit enter. So now I don't know what to do here. So I write this command, show options. Um, so look here, this is name, current setting and requirement and description. So C host, C port and proxy is not required, but remote host and remote port is required. So remote port is set by default, as you can see here, which is port 21 or FTP, and our host is not set yet. Let's do this. Set our host and then our target IP, which is 192.168.43.2. Okay, let me check it again. So now you can see here. Okay, the target machine IP. Here I have to write this run or exploit. Okay, both will work. So let's grab the banner and it's saying user 331. This is status code. Please specify the password and it say exploit completed, but no session was created. Let me run it again. So the port used by the backdoor bind listener is already open and we get the ID which is root. Okay, and we found shell here. Okay, command shell session 1 open and let wait for this. Okay, so if I write here ID, so it said that your ID is root. If I write here who am I, okay, It said that you are logging as a root user. If I check the IP, okay, then you see here that I am logging to the target machine with exploiting port 21, which was vulnerable to backdoor command execution. Okay, if I write here ls, so I found this test and my channel name. Okay, so I want to remove this rm -rm and then test underscore and then my channel name. Okay, so check it again. Now there is no directory with my channel name. Okay, so if I want to do the further things, so I can do it. Okay, I write shell here, so pound bash at bin bash. Okay, if I write here pwd, so I am is a root user. Okay, let's jump to our method number 3, which is Hydra. Okay, so right here Hydra. Okay, so there is two. One is Hydra and one is X Hydra. So to do this, we will use the two list, including our username.txt and password.txt. I will show you how to create custom list in another video. Uh, but for now, I have to create two file here. Let me close this. Okay. Let me clear the temporary file. Okay. Slash tem slash asterisk and then Kali. Okay. Here, I want to write here touch and here write the file name, which is username.txt. Okay, if I write ls, then you can see that we have a txt file with this name, which is username. If I get this file, so I have no any information here, so I will write some username. Okay, here you can see I'm doing this with nano and then username.txt. So I will write here msip admin msip and then admin user. Basically this is the username, like your Facebook username uh, and your password. Okay, user id and then hello. Okay, then Pakistan 123. If you use this password, let me know in comment box. Okay, so main 123. Okay, and some random username like strong password hello and at a 1234 and bin bash. Uh, what I write here now, my name and baby Babu Shona. uh, okay, and then control X and then save it. Okay, so if I get it again, so you can see this information. Okay, I want to create another file with this name password.txt, okay, and nano password.txt, and right here msf console. Basically this is a random password which I am writing, okay, don't worry about this. msf admin hello Pakistan 123, I love you, Mary Jan. And let me write some random words here. And control X and save it, okay. So let me set password.txt. So you can see here that this is our password. If I type ls, then we have this two file, okay, which is username and .txt and password.txt. Let me do this again. rm-rf slash temp slash asterisk, okay, clear. And now we have to call our Hydra tool, which is Hydra, okay, hyphen L. Let me illustrate Hydra, and then to specify the username list, we have to do this like hyphen L, capital L, and username.txt and password hyphen capital P and password.txt, and then our target machine IP. If you have URL, then you have to specify the URL here. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Okay. And then FTP. We are taking an FTP. Okay. And we use this hyphen V for over verbose, okay, verbosity. So basically it will show the process, okay. If I skip this, then it will also work, but I want to specify the hyphen v here to show you the result, and then hit enter. So it's running, and it attempt on target, which is this one, login with user password with MSF admin hello. Basically, it's brute forcing with username and password, and if it match the username and password, so it will show. Okay, I zoom the terminal. Due to this, we cannot see the actual result, but when you run it, you will see the result. Okay. It's logging with Babu Shona and password MSF admin I love you Python. Okay. So one target successfully completed, one wallet password found. But I zoom the terminal much more due to this. Um, I'm not able to show you. Okay. Let me run this again in another terminal. Okay. So as you can see our result here, it's found this one, that username and password is msfadmin and msfadmin. Okay. The color is a little bit change. Okay. So this one, focus here port 21 FTP, host is this, which is our target machine, and login Its mean username is msf admin and password is also msf admin. Okay, let me close this. Okay, clear. Sorry, clear and connect. No, FTP, and then again our target machine IP msf admin and password is msf admin. You can see here we are successfully logged into this machine. If I write id help, okay, you can see a lot of information here. So thank you for watching this video, and in this video we learned three methods to exploit the FTP port. Okay, in next video we will do some other good stuffs. So you have to subscribe my channel and watch my upcoming video. Thank you.